Please note that the following content is not meant for children under 13. Hey everybody, it's SaskiaSketches, and today we're going to be opening up another Scrawlrbox. Ooh, it looks like a lot of supplies. I'm really curious to see what it is. Oh, Faber-Castell. What's this? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Metallic pencils. Color pencils. Let's see. What kind of color pencils are these? Ooh, water soluble. Ooh. Oh, look at that shine. Ah. I'm guessing that's black paper? Ooh. And a ruler. What do we need a ruler for? It's metal. And metallic paint pens, I guess? Multi-techniques paint on noir. And that's French for black. Huh. Ooh, that's really thick. Can you hear that? It's really thick paper. It's not a lot of sheets. Oh, but that's quite cool. It's 8 sheets. Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh, that's really pretty. Look at that. I'll have these links in the description below. Well, that's cool. Ooh. Nice. Oh, it's really heavy. Cool. Just a ruler, I guess. In order to make this kind of artwork. Not so sure about that. Don't you just hate it when this happens? Oh my gosh. Okay. Come on. Luckily I have nails. Alright. Nothing else matters. Bad puns. Oh, I know what this is. I got one of these in a Scrawlrbox a while ago as well. Do you know if I still have this? Yeah. It's one of these things. So, do not pump these, because I know they look like your traditional paint marker where you like have to shake them and pump them, but if you do that with this, the nib goes in and it doesn't come out. And that's not very handy, so be careful not to do that with these. Ooh, but I'm really excited. Let's give this a go. Alright, so I kind of forgot that I needed to make a video this week, not gonna lie. Because I've been ill for about a week or so, and then the Christmas break I got from school rolled around, and I was so happy to be free for a change, to not have to do anything, that I kind of forgot that I needed to make a video. So now it's almost Christmas, so I can't spend the following days on making a video, so I've got to do it now, today. But that's okay, I really like making videos. Yeah. I really like this Scrawlrbox actually. It was very, I guess, a cool selection of supplies. The only thing that I was really disappointed by was that the pencils weren't really water soluble like it said on the packaging, and that was kind of sad. But maybe they work better on watercolor paper, on white paper. I don't know. I'm not really sure. again, I should test that, but I don't think the color of the paper has anything to do with it. It's just, it was kind of disappointing. I thought maybe it had to do with the amount of time they were already put on the paper, but then I put them on the paper already and it didn't so I tried to reactivate them straight after putting them on the paper, and it just didn't work. So that didn't really work. Anyway, I wasn't really sure what to draw for a change, so I was like, okay, I don't know what to do. So, because the prompt was squared away, and I don't normally make that kind of art, like the square, like the doodle kind of stuff. I did that in a thumbnail, and it just didn't seem like that much fun to me. And I thought, okay, maybe you can draw a person, but that didn't seem like a lot of fun either. And then I thought, hey, maybe a Pokemon, because I clearly have not drawn enough Pokemon lately. But I really liked the idea of drawing like a Pokemon, and I was like, oh, I can do Metagross, because Metagross is metallic. Ooh, this is steel type. So yeah, that was the first one that came to mind, because I looked at the colours, and there was this really pretty blue turquoisey, like a little bit greenish, little bit like blue, and it just really reminded me of that Metagross colour, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do that, and just for funsies, I drew myself laying on his head, back. I don't know what you would call that, but anyway. I always imagine, like, because if you would be travelling via Metagross, you'd probably like sit on top of him or something. So yeah, I just started sketching, and I was kind of filling in the colours, and it was kind of fun, but I wasn't really feeling it, I guess. It was just a bit too, I didn't have enough contrast, and that was kind of what I struggled with most in this piece, finding contrast, because they're all kind of the same value, and you have the dark paper and just the very light metallic colors, and the colors don't really vary that much. So I would have really liked it if they'd included a black marker, or something that was a bit darker of a supply, something that wouldn't show up as much, but still would show up. But I did have a lot of fun drawing this. It's always fun drawing Pokemon. I mean, you guys know that I love drawing Pokemon, right? So I hope you can forgive me for not really following the prompt, but I've kind of let that go. I haven't been following the prompts for these Scrawlrboxes a lot, and I guess that's because I just want to take the pressure off myself. I just want to create, just want to do something fun, because I haven't really been allowing myself to, I guess, have fun with these, so that's why I changed that. I was like, I just want to have fun, I just want to draw what I want to draw. I tried new supplies and stuff, and don't want to step outside my comfort zone too far, and especially since lately I've just been there's been a lot happening, a lot's been and I just don't want to stress out about something as small as a piece, an art piece, something that I should be having fun with. So I guess that's why I still kind of followed the theme of the box, right? So I coloured them, I sketched it out, coloured everything in, and then I went over with the shiny metallic silver pen to outline all the details and stuff, because I thought that might be cool to have kind of like an inverse kind of look to it. And then I started highlighting, so because I only put on kind of like a medium coat of the colour, and I added in some highlights to make some things brighter, to kind of look for that contrast, right? And then I got something that wasn't in the box. I grabbed my kneaded eraser, and you'll see that in a bit. I end up darkening some of the shadows and trying to get in some of those shadows and get that contrast going, like just in search for that, because I really missed it in the piece, and yeah, so I really love how it turned out in the end. I wasn't so sure whilst I was creating it, but I really, really like it. And what I find even more fun is that it kind of looks like a shiny metagross, and when you turn the paper it looks like a normal metagross, because it has kind of like that effect where, because it's metallic, if you hold the paper differently, it looks like a different color. So I really love how that came out, because that looks really, really cool and intentional, and I didn't intend for that, but it's a great happy accident. I really, really love how that came together, and that just looks like, hey, it's a metagross, but if you hold it like this, it's shiny metagross, and I think that's really cool, because I have both. I have a normal metagross and a shiny metagross, so that was a lot of fun. Yeah, so here I'm going in with that eraser, and you see that this is the point where the piece really starts to pop, because you get some of that contrast that was lost, and now it really looks cool, metallic, and that kind of stuff. The only thing that was really sad that they didn't include was a yellow pencil, because I'm blonde and I would really like to have like a yellow to colour that hair in, so I was afraid to do that with the, oh my gosh, very little time left. I was afraid to do it with a gold marker, but it looks okay in the end. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Click like if you enjoyed it, subscribe to this YouTube channel for more art videos every single Friday. Have a great weekend and keep on sketching. Bye!